Prophet Isa was born in a miraculous way. His mother Maryam was a pure and chaste woman chosen by Allah. She was living a life of devotion when the angel Jibril appeared to her, announcing that she would conceive a child despite having no husband. Maryam was astonished and asked, "How can I have a son when no man has touched me?" Jibril replied, "It is the will of your Lord, and that is easy for Allah. This child will be a sign for all people." Thus, Prophet Isa was born without a father, a clear miracle of Allah's power. After his birth, when Maryam was facing people's doubts about her, baby Isa, still in the cradle, spoke to defend her and announce his divine mission. He said to the people, "Indeed, I am a servant of Allah. He has given me the scripture and made me a prophet." This was one of the many miracles that would follow throughout his life. As Isa grew, he became a prophet sent to the children of Israel. His mission was to guide them back to the worship of the one true God, Allah. He called them to abandon idol worship and to live righteous lives. His words were full of wisdom and compassion, and he performed many miracles to show the power of Allah. One of the most incredible miracles attributed to Isa was his ability to heal the sick. He cured the blind, the lepers, and even brought the dead back to life, all by the permission of Allah. There were instances when he would breathe into a clay bird, and it would become a living creature by Allah's will. Despite these miracles, many people rejected his message. The religious leaders and those in power saw him as a threat, and instead of accepting his truth, they sought to kill him. But as Allah had planned, he saved Isa from their hands. The Qur'an tells us that the people did not crucify him, but rather, it appeared that way to them. Allah raised Isa up to himself. The return of Prophet Isa is a key belief in Islam. It is said that in the end times, he will descend from heaven to break the cross, kill the false Messiah, the Antichrist or Dajjal, and establish peace and justice. He will rule for a period before passing away and being buried. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.